kabisa kuom wafuasi mag Raila Odinga, lakini kwa the Mombasa for the ODM at 20 celebrations. On top of what Wadwaro has said, our chairman from Moa Nyakach, we need to look into issues mag nominations go to more inclusivity. Nikechokna bed ni the youth sa maandamano, sa struggle, sa nganyo, giluongo wa one in the front line. Lakini kobiro sa ma the national cake to onge inclusion, onge inclusivity. Katasani in terms of travel. Ntie lobby groups mangeny kabisa chamani. Mose pigania chamani kabisa. Ntie lobby groups mangeny kaka MDD, ntie lobby groups kaka Youth for Youth, ntie lobby groups kaka Veterans, Jeshi ya Baba, Daughters of Raila, Virgins of Raila. Lobby groups gote. Wada wane inclusivity. Kata young captains. And a movement possible very vibrant. Spreading gospel mar ODM ni. Sa ni kwa di Mombasa Nikech will be having a special function mar youth on Friday. Achiel kurum issues ma will be raising kata a declaration modwa niyo. And wabed included. Nikech sa ni ntia political trend Kenya wani last year ne igamo kaloni ne youth mani a frontline. Sani wasebedo excluded a bit more. Sani wadwa mondo a lot of the youth or wadwoge frontline kata daily runnings of the party inclusivity mose mention no kata nominations go. We want the popular candidates, especially youthful ones. What no nominations party kikbeda better party ma wachoni and party for the youth in theory. What in practice? What no structures? What inclusivity no ochake party structure, ochake governance systems to a more no kaka results ma the previous elections ma grassroots no they Nikech a lot of youth no scoop opportunities go. Going forward, a broad-based government ni one take experts moko mangeny. Wadwa wa winj nini tekogi. Wadwa neno the trickle down effect mar having ODM people in government. One opportunities gindik nyithen wa teach gimiwa opportunities go to gikel development to above all wadumisha peace. Sani siasa mar violence mwasiko kwa neno ya ODM ni odwa iishe Nikech oken the greater part of the party and mana a small section of mar leaders mada eneza violence wa ukwadwa neno siasa mar violence no. So for the three declarations Wadwaro and meaningful inclusion ma youth politics kata public life wadwa neno free and fair nominations to the elements ma spread violence mada ketone chama nying gibe dealt with very firmly a disciplinary committee ma chama.
Okay.